Welcome back. Today we are going to solve this question. Can you solve this question? If you can, then pause the video and take a try. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So this is our question. This is Olympiad question. So this is given x square plus 4y square plus 16z square is equal to 48. And this one is xy plus 4yz plus 2zx is equal to 24. So we have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. This one. So here this is the equation. So here this 48 is equal to 2 into 24. Means this equation, when we multiply this equation with 2, it's equal to this one. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square is equal to 2 into xy plus 4yz plus 2zx. This is our equation. So now we multiply this. So here is x square plus 4y square plus 16z square is equal to 2xy plus 8yz plus 4zx. Now we all transfer this on left hand side. So here is the become all are negative. So minus 2xy minus 8yz minus 4zx is equal to 0. So here we let the number, let x is equal to a and 2y is equal to b and c is equal to 4z. 4z is equal to c. So now we put the values. Here is the x is equal to a and 4y square is equal to 2y into 2y means b square. B into b, b square, here is c square. So a square plus b square plus c square, and here 2xy, this one is ab, xy is ab, 2xy, because 2y is b and x is a, ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0. So now we multiply with 2 on both sides, like that. This one we multiply on both sides by 2. So here is 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 0. So here 2a square can be written as a square plus a square, and this one is b square plus b square, and this one is c square plus c square, and minus 2ab minus 2bc and minus 2ca. Now we notice in this part very carefully. So here is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This one, when we take this part of the question, so it can be written as a minus b the whole square. This one. So according to this, 1a square is remaining. So here is a square and this one is c square. So here is, and here is minus 2ca. So this one can be written on the identity a minus c the whole square, and b square plus c square minus 2bc, b minus c the whole square, and this one is equal to 0. So now here we can write a minus b the whole square is greater or equal to 0, and b minus c the whole square, this one is also greater than equal to 0, and this one. Now can we write a is equal to b, b is equal to c, and c1 is equal to a. So now we focus on the question. So here is equation x square plus 4y square plus 16z square is equal to 48. This one. So here a is equal to b is equal to c. We already proved that. So here is x is equal to 2y is equal to 4c. 4z. So now x square, this all are equal. So we can write x square is equal to x square, and this one 4y square is equal to x square, and 16z square is equal to x square is equal to 48. So here 3x square is equal to 48. So x square is equal to 16. So we have find the value of x square. So now we have to find the value of y square. So this one is 4y square is equal to x square. So the value of x square is equal to 16. So y square is equal to 16 by 4. So the value of y square is equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of z square. So here z square means 16z square is equal to x square. This one. So the value of x square is equal to 16. So we put the value of 16. So z square is equal to 1. So now we are finding the value of x square, y square, and z square. So now we put the value on this equation. So here is 16 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 21, and this one is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.